Mom.
Get him.
Yoink them out of the tree. Yoink that motherfucker.
He is huge.
Yoink him.
I missed his tail.
Yank him.
Get a stick and then loop it around him. You know what I mean?
Hurry, get stick.
If I didn't have a baby on my back, I'd get up there and do it. Yeah, that's probably a racer. A green racer, it looks like. But he was already eating a baby, huh?
Yeah, he already had a baby bird in his mouth.
He knows you touched him.
He's a
Just make sure he don't get you
snake.
and sneak around on you.
I know it's kind of like a steering wheel over here.
Yeah, he'll eat the whole nest. He'll gorge himself on it. Here he
Oh, he's
goes.
falling.
Is he coming down? Yeah.
Get him.
He might come all the way down. Watch out when he does. He's
He's
somewhere on
still in the
that tree over there. Let me click off.